it's a better fish, guys. Better fish. 2 or 3 pounds. All right, it's 15 April. It's about 8 o'clock. Beautiful weather. It's glassy right now. Just gonna try to catch some good fish today. I've got Strike King, stick bait, green pumpkin, black flake. Fishing with a Arkansas Shiner fluke, and I've got a topwater just in case I see them busting. Let's get started because I don't want to ruin this glassy time. So let's do it. I'm gonna throw it behind me and just let it drift. Give me a little bit more chance at more fish. Boy, it's pretty out here today. You better go away, Gator. You're not big, but I still don't want to get you on. When I catch a fish, you're going to turn around and want to get that fish. Well, he went under, but I have no clue where he went. I like to see him swimming and then go under. It's alligator mating season right now, so they're a little less skittish, a little more curious or territorial. That's a small one. I'm not worried about him, but I'm worried about his grandpa that is up on this bank and he's going to scare me here in a minute. There we go. First fish of the day. Stay away, Gator, wherever you're at. I'm going to get him out quick since it was a gator there. Goes my bait. Not a bad first fish. Actually pretty good. I can tell you it's fun. Always fun. Big, little. I do not discriminate. I like all fish equally. Oh, another pop. He didn't take it, but I see another. All right, I'm gonna have to, I think he jacked my bait up, or, yeah. All right, so these things, when you got them wacky rigged, well, I was gonna say rehook it, but it looks pretty dang good, actually. We're gonna try for him again. He actually felt good. And he did not get hooked. Not really. Not enough to keep him from biting again. You actually gotta jerk that mouth pretty good for them not to bite. My son's been playing a lot of baseball lately. He plays for the Florida Burn 14U. He just turned 13 in January. He's been doing really well. Very proud of him. He also plays in the Little League Juniors, which is a 14 and under group. He's got a game tonight. Since I'm going to be editing tomorrow, if he pitches well or hits well, I may put him in the video, just as a little extra for me, if nobody else. Me and his mom. Okay, we got a small one, I think. It's not a bad fish. But yeah, they're getting rid of my baits quick this morning. Not bad. Bye-bye, buddy. Just putting him back to where I got bumped really hard. Felt like a bigger fish. That's the only reason I'm doing a little short fish. He's a little lively one. Let's get him out of here before the gators come. Well, he has been eat up by something. See where he's been eat up? Not a bad fish though. Yeah, something has put teeth in him. Hi guys. Come see me. Come see me, Sandhill Cranies. Hi guys. Hello. Yep. Lost my bait again. Hi guys. Taking care of that baby? Oh, I've already went through a whole pack of Strike Kings. I am not going to have to be able to fish for very long today. Hi guys. Well, look at you. You've got your little cute baby there. All right. You're right here with me, aren't you? Somebody must be feeding you. You're not scared of nothing. Well, good luck to y'all. Oh, I got some movement where I just threw. Well, I can catch as many as like, whoop, there it is. Oh, that little bitty one. Come on, I'm gonna try to go easy. You can't throw my bait, buddy. See that? There's one right down there below us. It could be a tilapia right here, but I'm gonna try to work it all the way to right there. Yep, there it is. Just took my bait. Catch and release. All right, that's over. I think I've got one Gary Yamamoto here. It's used, but you know what? It will catch a fish. It will catch a fish. I like that. I love the cloud cover that's coming in. Oh, oh. Not big, and he's gonna lose my bait. Yep. Wouldn't mind another catch and release here. Not bad. Alright, what do I have? I got a couple of yum. Alright, these are a little different. I fished for this in my last video. They're kind of a two-tone. Looks like a baby bass color. There's a little white belly. Caught fish on it. Not as many. But you know what? That's okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That was actually a huge hit. I just was not ready for it. Let's reel it in, throw it right back there. I have a feeling that was a good fish. That really felt. Yeah, it's still on there good. That's where it was at. He didn't hit it again, but alright, I see where they are chasing some minnows right here. Oh, a gator coming out. You see it? It's not a big one, but I respect you all. There's one behind me, one in front of me. This one in front of me is a little bigger, so we're going to show him a little more respect. I'm going to throw this little lily pile out here. You never can tell what's just sitting on the lilies. Heard it. Something stinks out here. Oh. I'm gonna bring you in. Oh, he looks puny. Look how puny he looks. Not looking good there, fella. We'll run down this bank here because it's very gatory, but it also has a little deeper drop. And being out here, you'll see if there's any fish busting on the top. Oh, I just saw a clown knife. Not really fishing for clown knife though. If we had some minnows, we'd go kill it. Okay, now this bank right through here is pretty good, especially when it's flat like this, glassy. Oh, but I see some big gators out there. Oh, little fish, but boy, he trumped it. Don't knock off my lure, little fish. Oh, don't knock off my lure. Look at you. Not even big enough to eat that. Oh. I'm going the wrong direction in size right now. Alright, so I'm gonna re-hook. I think I'm gonna have to get a new seat pretty soon. I've been storing my kayak outside and it's not doing good for it. Well, I'm actually going to try to go slow up here because this gator is so freaking big. You don't get to see them like that very often. I bet it's 12, 14 foot. Usually they're 8 to 10 are the big ones, but he looks like a biggie. Oh, he's going. I'll try to zoom in on him because he's gone into the water. He's a biggie. Oh, had a fish. Yeah, he was a biggie, so I'll see if I can get him. You see him. He's gonna bow up because he's like, I'm the biggest guy in here, not you. Some say you can see the tip of their nose, their eyes, and actually calculate the length off that. That's a biggie though. Starting to move a little quicker. Prehistoric, majestic animal. He's made it through a lot. It's one of the biggies in the lake. I think they used to call him Fred or something like that. I forget. Not Fred, huh? Well, a small one. Not big, but playful. Little fish. Must be feeding right up here. Wonder if I could take a topwater and catch me something right there. Oh, hey. Sandhill cranes. Yeah, they're feeding back there. There's another gator in front of me up here. He's not a biggie. But hey, I respect you, my friend. Catch and release and took my bait. You little biatch. Well, that's a big gator coming through here. Probably messed my fishing up too. Boy, I wouldn't even think, because there's no place for it to lay in there. It was just had to be just chilling in the weeds. Oh, the Sandhill crane's taking their baby across, swimming. Really wish they wouldn't do that. It's right out through there. It scares me every time they do it. There's a reason you don't see a lot of... I thought it was it's just There's a lot of fish out on this little area right here. I see a lot of fishy. Mama, you're gonna have to get her out of that water. You're gonna get gator bit. You are gonna get gator bit, baby. I know. You really shouldn't be doing that, baby. You really shouldn't. All right. Oh, what's the better fish, guys? Better fish. 2 or 3 pounds. Oh. Boom. Still skinny looking. It has some length, but very skinny, very puny looking. That was fun though. I like it. I only got one more of those. I have a feeling the fishing's gonna slow to a crawl. We'll fish our way out, but we're gonna catch something under this bridge. I'm going to throw, I usually do center, left, right. I may go left just because I think there's fish there. Yeah, let's not waste one. I'm going to go left. All right, here we go. Hope I can get stuck over here. Oh, did not do a good throw, but that was my bad. See if I can do this again without losing my bait. Kind of surprised it didn't get hammered there. We'll reel it back out. Go to the right side. Yep, something's back there. hammering stuff. Well, my bait's gone for a little fish. Well, that's not exactly what we wanted, guys. Oh, there's a turtle under there. Do I have anything else I could throw on? Let's put this on. It's all beat up to heck, but alright, a little farther to the left. Hey.
I saw that thing you posted about the lake.
Oh yeah, Lake Watch. Yeah.
Although we're going back soon, I'd be very happy to help you with
Yeah, I appreciate it. Even if it's something as simple as the bird watch program or
Can I throw a few lures every once in a
yeah,
while out the backyard? But yeah.
log the fish, the size, and
Yeah,
or something
I'd
like
be
that.
happy to help you.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Talk to you soon.
I'll reach back out to you.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Yep.
All right, this is a better fish. All right, I think that's the first on the fluke so far today. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna try through left first. Oh, not good. Well, catch and release. That's a little fish. I'm gonna put a different bait on. This wind's really messing with me right now. I see a little fish stalking it. Oh, something got it as soon as it hit the water. It's a little better. I mean, it hit and went, just took it. Wow, not a big fish, but boy, it hammered it. Alright, I got that on the right side, so I should still have fish on the left side. Well, thanks for fishing with me. Got slow after 10:30. The wind started picking up, and you can see it's pretty choppy. It's not as bad as it is in some places, but it's just it's slowed down, so it's time to go in, go get something to eat, chill out, and maybe get in the pool. All right, thanks for fishing with me. We'll try it again.